Tasting session on. Yummy. The taste of coconut, jaggery and desi ghee. Mind blowing. Hello. So what are we cooking today? I am going to make garden cress laddoos, or other name is Aliv Laddoos or Halim Laddoos. Now, what is that seed? This is garden cress. It has tangy taste like mustard seeds. Don't confuse it with the flax seeds. Flax seeds look like this and mustard seeds look like this, and this is Aliv seed or Halim seed or garden seed. This is easily available on Amazon, or you can visit any Indian store from where it is easily available. Garden cress seeds are full of iron, calcium and vitamin E. So these garden cress laddoos or energy balls are very much nutrient dense, and in India these are especially given to postpartum women, growing children because they need iron, growing girls, old age person, but the quantity which you are supposed to consume has to be very, very less. So here less is more. Only 1 teaspoon of Aliv seeds you can have every day. You have to soak it in water and then you can have with the milk, hot milk, or you can make these laddoos. In India, whatever is like made as a ball, we call it as a laddu. So I'm going to show you how these laddoos are made. Let's go and get the work done.